Hello everyone, this is Apple Manansala from the new channel. We are here because it's the month of love. We are here to say hello to love and feature something, a new brand, a new mommy that we have met here at the WiseCon, who is actually into her passion business. Let's get to know how she was able to put together everything, and then ito na nga, nag-start na ng business. At ngayon, napaka-inspiring ng business dahil kagaya ng Private Pop Avenue ko, na featured din dito sa WiseCon, nakakaganda, nakakasaya ng mood yung ginagawa niya. So today, we are going to feature Olivia Rose and Company through this very special February 14th feature on the new channel. And we are here with the owner and the florist of Olivia Rose and Co., Miss Princess Alyssa Cantal. Ayan. Hi, Miss Princess!
Hello po! Good afternoon po, everyone! Ayan. Thank you, Miss Apple po, for inviting me and for featuring my business.
Ayan. So, Miss Princess, ang saya-saya ng ngiti mo. It's Love Month. It's February 14 today. So, syempre, gusto natin mabigyan ng idea yung mga viewers on the new channel, how they can order or what are the new things that they can order or they can buy for their loved ones. Kasi hindi naman to pwedeng lover lang or sa mga ano lang, no, sa mga mag-asawa lang or mag-boyfriend, mag-girlfriend. Pwede rin to sa magkakaibigan, pwede rin sa parents, no? So, ano ba yung mga products that you can share with us today na sa tingin mo dapat makita nila para mabili nila from your company? Sige, pakita natin.
Okay. So, meron po kami preserved rose in a glass dome. So, madali lang siyang hawakan kahit saan siya pwede display. And we offer different colors like single color, the rainbow, ayan, the rainbow color, two-tone color. Meron din dalawang color po pwede. And then we also have this very unique flower, which is the black rose. Ayan, the black rose. Ayan, real flower yan. Real rose. Yan. Preserve po yan. It lasts a lifetime po yan.
Anong klaseng rose ito? Anong klaseng rose?
Ecuadorian roses po. Yung Ecuadorian po is a 10 centimeter or the biggest rose. Ayan. Ayan. Ecuadorian roses po yan lahat.
Ito, may nakasabit tayo dito.
Yes. We have this preserved baby's breath, rainbow color, naka-envelope box. Ayan.
Tapos may card.
Yes, may card and a wax seal po yan. So, safe na safe yung message nyo. And every time,
Ito, magkano to?
ayan po, it's 699. Yeah.
699
pesos.
Hindi
Yes.
po to 6,099.
Yes, 699. Very affordable. You can choose different colors. You can choose one color. Ayan, kino-customize po namin. Depende sa request ng person. Ayan, customer.
And then, the Ecuadorian na naka-box, how much are these?
Naka-sale po siya ng 1,430 pesos. So, naka-1430.
1430.
Para I love you. Yeah.
Ito pala.
Ayan, ito po, 140.
Ayan, 143.
Yes.
Which is actually 50%.
Yes.
Usually, mahal ang
Oh,
preserved Ecuadorian Kasi the Ecuadorian itself, mahal na yan
Opo,
right?
lalo na yung fresh flower, parang isang stem lang po ata, nasa 500 pesos na po ata. Ito, lifetime na po yan. And then you will get free message card. Pwede na rin po kami magsulat ng mga messages. Ayan.
Tatayo tayo ng konti kasi gusto natin makita to. Itong mga Ecuadorian nila.
Yes, ito po. As of now, 3 colors na lang po available namin. We have the red, light pink, ayan, and then the purple one.
Kita natin.
Ayan.
Ganda.
So, Ecuadorian. Ganyan po yung Ecuadorian. Mas lalaki po siya. Pero kung naka-close po yung ano.
Pa to or hindi na?
Ay, hindi na po. Yan na po yung size niya. Ayan. Glass dome po siya. So, pwede niyo po siya i-display kahit saan.
Tayong trending. I can
Yes.
buy myself flower.
Ayan. You will also get freebies. Ayan. Like free balloon and message card.
Ganda rin, no?
Inspired by Beauty and the Beast.
Ganda. And then, the other one is peach, no? Parang light
Yes. Peach, light pink, peach po siya. Ayan.
This is 3,500.
Yes.
Okay. Kahit online, even if they buy this
Yes,
online.
kahit online po. Minsan nagsisale din po kami, minsan nabot po ng 2.5. Yan, depende po. Peak season po kasi.
Season dahil
Yes.
Balik tayo. So, Miss Princess, what inspired you to get into this business of flowers or preserving flowers?
Okay, actually, two things. So, number one is, when I became a mom, na syempre, sanay akong nag-work. Tapos kapag nasa bahay lang, nisip ko parang gusto kong kumita habang
So, you
nasa
became a
bahay.
full-time mom at some point.
Yes, when I get married then yon. So sabi ko, nakakuha ako ng maternity benefit.
Ay.
So yung maternity benefit ko yung pinangpuhunan ko dito.
Gusto ko po yung may pa-maternity benefit tayo. Alam nyo, na-interview ko, nakausap ko na siya kahapon and she was actually telling me na you're only 28-year-old, right? And kwento mo nga sa amin ulit, yung kwento mo sa akin na bakit ka ba nagkaroon ng business na dried flowers or flowers?
So yun naman po yung second reason. So I 28 years old now pero I never received any flowers at all, even from manliligaw so until my husband. Ayan. Pero kasi, ewan ko, siguro natataon lang na hindi yun yung love language nila. Pero yun. So, sabi ko, kahit hindi ako makareceive, at least makapagbigay naman ako for other people naman. So, ipaprovide ko sa kanila.
Ngayon, hindi na siya naghihintay na makareceive. Talagang kailangan siya pa yung magbibigay because of the flower shop. Sabi mo nga sa akin, 'di ba? If you can
Buy myself flowers, I can build my own business, flower shop business. Ayan.
Interesting. So, alam mo yun, parang tinatawanan natin yung ganyang story, but I'm sure to other moms or to other female na medyo sometimes sensitive tayo, no? Gusto talaga natin yung may nare-receive na ganyan. But tingnan nyo naman, si Mommy Princess, from parang her frustration into becoming the passion, and then ngayon business na siya. So, question ko sa'yo is ano pa aside from syempre yon turning nga your frustration into business, ano siguro yung simple tip mo na natutunan mo dito sa WiseCon that you can also impart to those na hindi nga nakapunta dito but will be able to watch this episode online, and sa mga parents or sa mga mommies rin na kagaya natin, no, we were trying to be hands-on with our children pero we want to also pursue businesses.
So, resiliency, syempre, na kahit anong problem ang dumating, ituloy mo lang, take risk, kasi first time lang din po namin mag-bazaar. So, kinakabahan po ako mapunta dito sa Wise Bazaar. So, sabi ko, why not? Kasi wala namang mawawala kung may mabebenta ako or wala, at least I try.
So, syempre meron yan. At saka very timely nga. So, how can our viewers on the new channel order from you if they wish to buy from some of the products that are available online?
So, meron po kami sa mga social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and we also have shop in Shopee. Ayan. And also TikTok. You can order. Just send us a message and then send us your request kasi nagbibigay rin po kami ng special request like magpapaharana sila. Ayan. Yes, may mga ganun po, mga OFW po.
So, paano yung harana? Paano yung harana?
Nag-hire po kami na, ayan, kapatid ko, singer po siya, and then may speaker na lang po kami. Nagda-drive po kami dun sa bahay ng isu-surprise na customer namin. Tapos nagugulat na lang po sila na may pa-deliver pong flowers and harana.
How far can you go dun sa harana?
As long as within Metro Manila naman po. Pero kung willing naman po sila magbayad ng transpo, why not outside Metro Manila?
Price range ng harana?
Actually, free lang po yun. Yes, yun po yung pinaka-offer namin na special offer ng flower shop namin. Kasi we accept requests for free as much as wala naman pong mawawala sa amin or not expensive naman. So, ang gusto lang po talaga namin is magpasaya ng mga tao. Hindi lang po babae, lalaki, ganyan.
So yun, no, yung mga nanonood sa atin kasi marami ring followers si TNC actually na nasa abroad. So, and it's not just because you watch this episode on February 14 February 14 na tayo magbibigay lang. Actually, pwede rin naman natin ito ibigay for any occasion like upcoming Mother's Day, Women's Month, ano pa ba? Birthday, 'di ba? LGBT Day. So marami namang marami namang celebration na pwedeng pagbigyan ng bulaklak. Or yun nga, you can actually buy your flower, right? On your birthday or on a special occasion that you want to get yourself one. So, I think I'm also a fan of, receiving flowers and actually giving flowers to my mother-in-law, or to people who are really closest to me. But this is really nice kasi it's gonna last long. And to those na mas practical, no, na katulad namin, talagang maganda rin nagbibigay ng long lasting kasi matatandaan nila, maaalala nila.
Nila sa bahay, ayan, nasa bahay lang, naka-display, ayan. Every time matatandaan mo, ito yung first flower na receive ko 10 years ago, mga ganon. Fresh pa rin siya.
At saka maganda to kasi actually usually mahal to eh. Yung 3,500 nila usually, even if you check this online or sa mga stores lalo na, mas mahal siya. So this is good price already. And plus, syempre, Filipino made by a Filipino mom. So we're really supporting our kababayans and we're really making sure, no, na syempre supporting ang mga moms para mapush at matuloy-tuloy yung pagsama sa mga bazaars. And eventually, di ba, who knows, magkakaroon ng sariling store. So again, Miss Princess, do you have anything to share pa to everyone? Like, what's your experience here and anyone that you want to thank?
So, thank you so much for TNC and then Surf YSU Convention. And I also want to thank FH Moms for choosing me to be part of the Bazaarista group. And then, advice ko lang or tip, kapag may gusto kayo i-pursue, huwag kayong matakot mag-take ng risk. Kasi wala namang mawawala if you try, di ba? What if, isipin nyo, what if mag-success kayo? So, sobrang kabado rin talaga ako kasi out of rin siya eh. Out of, tawag ito, mind na, ay, preserved flowers, may mabebenta ba? Hindi nga, sabi nga nila, hindi daw yan sustainable kasi one time lang daw bibili. Pero hindi naman tayo one time nagkakaroon ng celebration, di ba? So,
yeah, tsaka nakakatuwa yung ganung business na kahit na iniisip mo lang talaga magpasaya, hindi naman kailangan laging of course, our business has to be sustained. Pero ang ganda nung ang priority natin is to make sure na nakakapagpasaya tayo ng mga tao, di ba? So, again, thank you so much, Miss Princess. And please support Olivia Rose & Co. Na hindi pa nga natin natanong bakit Olivia Co. & Rose ba yung pangalan. Olivia Rose & Co. yung pangalan.
So, yan yung name ng first daughter ko, Olivia Rose. Ayan. And then, and company kasi my family and friends supports me in this business.
So nakakatuwa talaga dito sa YSCon and through partnership of FH Moms nga. Ang dami kong nakilalang mga mompreneur na yun ang motivation. You want to create your own business tapos yung pangalan kinuha sa anak or pinagsama-samang letters or mother's love yung motivation. Ito naman, one's mom's passion. And syempre, alam nyo pag naging mother ka na, although this is about February 14 which is actually Valentine's and Lover's Day basically, but love naman is love is supposed to be celebrated every day. Sabi ko nga, love is not just one thing, love is actually everything. So as much as possible, it will be nice for us to celebrate love every day, kahit na pagod tayo or may pinagdadaanan, kasi magandang yun talaga yung isa sa mga bagay na panghawakan mo at doon mag-umpisa lahat because happiness can follow. So Miss Princess, thank you also for allowing TNC to enter your business and to enter your world. We hope that this kick-off of our Feature of You will be a first and not only the last on TNC but also something that will make your business more profitable and bigger. So we look forward to seeing you hopefully in our own studio. Baka pwede mong set upan doon. Tapos i-feature ka namin ulit for something different. And then, we look forward to seeing your store, di ba? I-claim natin yan. I-manifest natin yan. Okay?
Sa bazaar.
Yes.
Sariling store na. Sana po. Hopefully. Thank you so much, Miss Apple and TNC team for inviting me and knowing my business.
Yes. So, again, thank you so much guys for this, for watching this video from a weekend here at the YSCon. We are very happy that we have the chance to meet different people like Mommy Princess. We hope that you have loved, the episode that we have, a special episode that we have created for today. And we look forward to you sharing more of these stories, more of this business, because not only that we have made all of this for you, this is also in support of moms and entrepreneurs who are first-timers in their businesses. And we look forward to see more Filipino brands and Filipino people thriving in their own businesses. Again, this is Apple Manansala, President and Chief Executive Officer of the new channel, together with the team who are taking this video. Maraming salamat po. We're here at the SM Mega Trade Hall. And thank you so much again to FH Moms for making all of this event, including this interview, and the partnership with Surf Unilever Philippines possible. See you in the next video. Happy Valentine's to all of you. Spread love and kindness.